G'day folks, Josh from Voltaic Auto Electrical here. Voltaic has been a story of dedication and passion since 2017. We're not just about the cars, we're about the people who make it run smoothly. Behind every great technician and every satisfied customer, there's a strong backbone ensuring everything clicks, and that's our administrative team. With every booking, every invoice and every call, our administrative team ensures that Voltaic remains the trusted name it is today. If you have a knack for organisation, a polite phone manner and a desire to be part of an essential team that's driving the future, we'd love to have a chat. So if you're interested, check out our listing on Seek for all the details. At Voltaic, it's not about the vehicles, it's about the team that powers the journey. Come and help us power on.